Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to export lists from QuickBooks Online. This is incredibly useful when you need to analyze your data in Excel, share information with your accountant, or simply keep backup records of your customers, vendors, or product lists outside of QuickBooks. First, you'll want to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page where you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings hub where you can access various administrative tools and features. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several columns of options. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll notice different sections organized by category. Look for the column labeled Tools, and within that column, click on Export Data. This feature is specifically designed to help you pull information out of QuickBooks in a format that's easy to work with elsewhere, particularly in spreadsheet applications like Excel. After clicking Export Data, you'll be taken to a dedicated export page. Here's where you get to choose exactly what information you want to pull from your QuickBooks account. Navigate to the section called List to Export. This area displays all the different types of data you can export from your account. You'll see several toggle switches next to different list types. These might include options like customers, vendors, chart of accounts, or products and services. Toggle on each list you want to export by clicking the switches. You can select as many or as few as you need depending on what data you're looking to work with outside QuickBooks. Once you've made your selections, look for the Export to Excel button and click it. QuickBooks will now begin processing your request and compiling the data. After a short wait, a confirmation message will appear. Click OK to proceed. Your browser will automatically download a .zip file to your computer. This compressed file contains individual Excel files for each list you selected. Zip format keeps everything organized and makes the download faster, especially if you're exporting multiple lists at once. Navigate to your Downloads folder and locate this zip file that was just downloaded. Open it and extract the Excel files inside. You can typically do this by right-clicking this zip file and selecting Extract All, or by using your preferred extraction tool. Finally, open any of the extracted Excel files to view and work with your exported lists. You now have full access to your QuickBooks data in a spreadsheet format where you can sort, filter, analyze, or share the information as needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.